Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Mac Vismo. You don't know our channel is for tech. Alright, so I'm so excited. So the behemoth has arrived. The big boy has arrived. Got him right here. We're gonna go in. We're just gonna do an unboxing like we always do. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? So before we start, we have to cue the intro and get it ready. Alright, so welcome back to the show. So today what we'll be doing, we'll be unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Came in today. I didn't have time to unbox it because I had to go to work. Let's do it. I got the Pacific Blue. Hit him with me. Ooh, look at those edges, man. Yo, Apple, where's the rest of it? So you telling me for $1,300, all I get in the box is a phone? I mean, shit, if you're gonna charge me this much money just for a phone in a box, man, like, come on now. At least give me a case in that bitch. Overall though, I like the phone. Sleek stop. Give me a zoom in. Give me a zoom. Give me a sexy zoom. As you can see, the camera hump is huge on this one. Alright, so look the difference. Ooh, look at the difference, bro. Hey, give me a zoom out. Give me a zoom out real quick. Look at this shit, bro. It's like a little brother, big brother. It has this has a larger sensor than all the other ones, and it's the big boy. Like, I like the big boys. Yo, it feels good. It feels a little sharp, but hey, you know, this is a $1,300 phone. You got to get this shit right now. I have Privacy Ninja on this one. It gives you good privacy. As you can see, turn it to the side, it's gone. You can't see anything on there. Get that off. Got the big boy. This is, I always have this is the Evo check from Tech 21. So yo, fire it up, easy. I got the blue, so I dig the blue. Savage, bro. Savage roller, bro. I'm gonna put the blue ones in there. Evo check case. I like all the phone feeling. They know what they doing when they make this fit like a glove, boy. So my shit's protected, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna fire it up. So this is just an unboxing. So definitely recommend the Tech 21 Evo check case. This phone feel really good. I can't wait to do the camera test. We have camera tests. I'm gonna put this up against my Sony a7 III. I already put my a6600 up with my iPhone, and definitely I'm also gonna do a comparison, like, you know, between two iPhones speed wise and camera and all of that shit. So look out, man, content's coming. So yo, guess what, my god is it